Hey Karen!
Rosalind, hey, good to see you. What's going on? You got the turkey done? Do you have any plans for leftovers, or as I like to call them, planned-overs?
Ooh, I like your style. Absolutely. So this year I plan on making really nice to-go boxes. Take some of our leftovers, like some turkey, stuffing, mac and cheese, maybe a little bit of cranberry sauce, and I'm going to wrap it in parchment paper and then put it in the boxes and tie a nice little ribbon on it.
Sharing leftovers with friends and family is another way to celebrate the good in this Thanksgiving.
Well, you know I'm always prepared. I enjoy making my turkey pot pie. I freeze too, and then I save the other one to bake day of.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. I know they'll enjoy it. Now don't forget, you've got the 3-day rule. You need to make sure that all your leftovers are either consumed or frozen within 3 days.
Thank you so much, Karen. You're really helpful.